Artificial intelligence has come a long way from being just a research experiment in university labs. It's now the invisible engine driving everything from your phone's camera suggestions to how cities plan traffic. But beyond the everyday stuff, there are some truly wild projects out there. Projects that show just how powerful and creative artificial intelligence can become. We're talking about systems that write music, build other robots, and even help humans communicate with animals. Yes, seriously. So let's explore 8 projects that will make you rethink what's possible when machines start thinking, learning, and creating like us. For decades, scientists struggled to predict how proteins fold, a process that determines how every living thing functions. Then DeepMind's AlphaFold stepped in and solved a biological mystery that baffled researchers for half a century. It predicted the 3D structures of over 200 million proteins, basically mapping out almost every known organism's molecular design. This breakthrough is already helping scientists develop new medicines faster and cheaper. It's not an exaggeration to say this project changed biology forever. Meet Atlas, a humanoid robot built by Boston Dynamics. It doesn't just walk, it jumps, flips, and runs like an athlete. What's fascinating is how its learning system adapts in real time, keeping balance after slips or falls, just like a human would. You can watch it leap over obstacles, grab and throw objects, and perform gymnastics routines with stunning accuracy. It's not just a mechanical marvel, it's a glimpse into the future of rescue missions, warehouse automation, and maybe even robotic companions. This project is heartwarming. Project Euphonia helps people with speech impairments such as those caused by ALS, strokes, or cerebral palsy communicate clearly using artificial intelligence models trained on their unique speech patterns. It learns how each person sounds and translates that into clear, understandable speech for digital assistants or communication devices. For many, it's giving back something they lost: their voice. Imagine describing a scene in plain words and watching it come alive as a high-quality video. That's exactly what Sora does. Developed to turn written prompts into realistic moving images, Sora can generate entire cinematic sequences, complete with lighting, camera angles, and emotions. Filmmakers, educators, and marketers are already exploring how this could completely change video production. Soon, storytelling might not require a studio, just an idea. Founded by Elon Musk, Neuralink is developing a brain-computer interface that lets humans control devices directly with their thoughts. The tiny implant records brain signals and sends them to computers or prosthetic limbs, allowing paralyzed individuals to move or communicate again. It's still in early stages, but the possibilities are massive, from treating neurological disorders to expanding human capabilities. The line between biology and technology is starting to blur. Runway ML is transforming the creative world. It gives artists, filmmakers, and designers tools to generate visuals, edit videos, and design concepts without traditional skills. You can remove objects from footage, change backgrounds, or even create entire fantasy scenes just by typing what you want. For small creators and studios, it levels the playing field. You no longer need expensive gear or teams, just imagination. Tesla's self-driving project is one of the most ambitious in transportation history. The system learns from billions of real-world driving miles, analyzing cameras and sensors in real time to navigate roads, interpret traffic lights, and predict how other drivers behave. It's not perfect yet, but every update brings it closer to cars that can drive safely on their own. When that happens, commuting, logistics, and city planning will never be the same. Imagine a computer that can not only process data, but also argue logically. using evidence and reasoning like a human. That's Project Debater by IBM. It listens, forms opinions, and debates complex issues with real people. The system doesn't just throw facts. It structures arguments, acknowledges counterpoints, and speaks persuasively. It's teaching humans how to reason better, not just how to win. From decoding the secrets of life to creating realistic films and helping people regain their voices, these projects show that artificial intelligence isn't about replacing humans. It's about amplifying what we can do. Each breakthrough brings us a little closer to a world where machines don't just serve us, but collaborate with us, where creativity, empathy, and logic merge in ways we never imagined. So, which of these projects amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to see how these technologies might shape the next decade of business, health, and creativity, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives like this.